AG Labs, my name is Ben. Hello, good morning, welcome to the micro soldering show. In the background you see some pussies and in the was ist Vordergrund? And in the foreground it's me. Okay, no, just a little joke. We start today in the morning by that iPhone 8 Plus, which was mailed in because of problems with the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is grayed out and the customer wants to get a fix for this phone. So let's have a look what we can find and see here. We open the device. Is your hand skill okay today, Andy, for iMesa? Okay. Andy came today in the morning and said, I want to drink a beer, but he didn't. So we just opened the device. Time. That's okay. And we open up the screws. For me it looks like somebody opened the phone already, because we see here on the sticker there are some signs of work. Okay. Take out the screws on the top for the front cam. Take out the front cam and get up the screen. We will renew all the glue stickers later and clean up the rest of the glue stickers. That's not a problem. Now we open up the Phillips screws here. All the screws just needs to be opened. Do you know where the developer of the first screw in the world was? Mr. Screw, or I don't know. I think he's a billionaire. What was his name? Specs. Okay. So let's have a look under the microscope. Spaxschrauben, Dicker. Okay. Looks like somebody already tried to fix that Wi-Fi issue. But please, if you renew glue stickers on the board, please, my friend, always clean under that. Yeah, he used some glue to glue it on. Perhaps you shouldn't do that. Okay. Here are some rests of glue. Here, that's not clean. Here, yeah, he used black glue. And here too. I do complete cleaning now of the whole frame. And after that, what about the NAND? NAND is in, so he only rebolt the module. But because I don't know what he exactly did here, I just want to get this stuff fixed fast. So we take the Wi-Fi module out and let's see what has been done before. My ICC Pro is here. Okay, somebody already tried to repair that. I think it was not done perfectly because the problem was the same. I already controlled the boot behavior, so that was normal. In this case, I don't think that we have a short in the Wi-Fi module. And before I take out the NAND and do an unbind, I just want to see how the chip looks like and how the board looks like, so I can decide what I do here. Clean the board. Nice and clean, I think. And we have a look for the Wi-Fi module itself. Come on. The module looks pretty okay, but solder points don't look good. I don't know which paste was used for doing that. Done. Looks pretty okay in my opinion. Do you know the problem on the iPhone X, on the iPhone 11 cam? From time to time it looks milky. Don't know what that is. Okay. Now we just do a quick reball. Lift up the stencil. And that's good looking. Just doing a reball. Done. Use some more flux. And we can solder that down to the board. Place the IC to the board. Have a look that it's right aligned. And if the alignment is good, we can just solder that down. Has been done. Waiting a short time for cooling down. And let's prove. So now we just want to test if everything works fine. Boot the device and let's have a look if Wi-Fi is back. Okay, I need to have a look for the code. Okay. So we are at Wi-Fi here. I just want to do lighting up and boom! We are back to life again with our iPhone. Why it's directly in? Perhaps on incoming there was already function at one time, so sporadic dysfunction or things like that could be. So let's prove again. Did the test as it was incoming? I think yes. Did it work on start and then it was grayed out, or what was the problem on this iPhone 8 Plus? I think you did the test, or not?
That was me, yeah.
Yeah, that was you, okay. And did it work and then not? Because if I tried, I couldn't activate Wi-Fi, and now it just was directly logged in into the Wi-Fi.
I'm not sure, but I think it worked.
It first worked and then didn't work, so sporadic dysfunction. Okay. Then we have solved this issue. Okay, I want to go out of the network. It works again. So I hope
Which are you using?
you... Wait, which are you using?
I need
What do you need?
make a video.
Okay, I hope you could learn something within this video. It's just an iPhone 8 Plus which had sporadic dysfunction of the Wi-Fi, so it was grayed out, and then it wasn't grayed out, things like that. Now it just works. Just a quick re-roll of the Wi-Fi module. I hope you liked the video. Anyway, if you want to learn things like that, you can do that easily on the Bottler Repair School Germany. And if you are working at repair industry for smartphones and tablets, just join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. I would be happy to see you there, but please answer the questions, because otherwise we can't accept you. Yeah, I'm out for today. We see you with the next video. Buy the ICC Pro, pre-order it on iccpro.de. I'm out. We see you with the next. Boom! Back to life again. Yours Ben.